Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR Mini and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Now you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you want to use and tap on it to select it and apply it. Like this. You can also do this through the settings. So if you open the menu by pressing the side button, scroll through it, find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it, and here tap on the option watch face and time. Then select watch face. It will open the watch face menu, find the watch face you would like, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, under some of the watch faces, you will see the edit button. You can tap on it, and it will allow you to change some things like, for example, widgets. We can select something like maybe battery, and here maybe something like calories. And once you're done, you can press the side button to apply the changes, like this. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch faces. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone, unlock it, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, oh, even a bit more. Like this. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zep application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device. And on the device page, you should see your Amazfit GTR Mini. And under it, there should be watch faces category. You can tap on this arrow icon to open the whole store, watch face store. Come on. Okay, and here we have the watch faces and basically watch face store, and we can download some additional watch faces by simply tapping on one, tapping on sync, and it's gonna start downloading, and after it's done it will be applied to our watch like this. Or if you want to simply change between watch faces already installed on your watch, you can tap on mine. And here we have the list of watch faces installed. You can tap on one to simply select it and apply it. Like this. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.